So my starting motor is fucked. It's not starting my lovely bike, so I have to ride this one today. But it'd be nice to see how it goes over long distance. I took the L plate off obviously because I'm not a learner. So yeah, we'll see how it is. Well, I suppose, okay, right, let's do another instructional video. Okay, so, lines in the road. Now, you don't really want to be in the centre of the road at any time because, well, okay, that's total crap, okay. The centre of the road's okay if it's a good road. But if it's like this road that's coming up here, yeah, where like it's a bit gravelly, you either want to be, so you see where the two cars, look, see this bit in the middle where it's shadowy, you either want to be on one side or the other. So because we're coming up to a corner that's this way, we want to be on this side of the gravelly line, yeah? So that we can see more coming around the corner. Oh my god! So we can see more coming around the corner, and then we want to go out here so that we're not home safe. Oh, don't know what that is. So 40 through here. Hi Liam! Thanks for letting me borrow your bike! So yeah, road position is really important, I think, for new riders, because quite often, when you've just passed your CBT, you're used to riding you're used to riding on a cycle bike, which means you'll ride. Oh, something has happened. Oh Christ. Okay. Sorry. Okay, back in. Thank you, Mr. Police Officer. Oh my god! I love police officers. I absolutely love them. Wow, there's a lot going on the road today. So you see here how I'm just the other side of the line, and even though there's, you know, there's lorries coming the other way, and that's okay because they're not just going to suddenly stray onto your side of the road. I think people think that sometimes, you know, that they're really not going to suddenly stray onto your side of the road. And I mean, there's a difference between being where I say to be, which is on the car line of either of their tyres, and being like on the fucking white line. I mean, yeah, like, you know, if you're just about to overtake or you're a really experienced rider and you know you're taking it on the white line to get your knee down on the corner, that's fair enough. But I'm not aiming I'm not aiming this video at those people. So stay off the white line, stay out of the gutter. Basically, is my advice to you. You see the car in front of me, two tyre tracks. And there's a big tyre track obviously from the lorry. This is where you want to be. You want to be on this one, or this one, or this one, or this one, or this one. See, I'll stay on this one because I'm going around this corner, and then because I'll go this one to go around this corner. It just means if there's any loose gravel in the middle, you're not going to slip. It means if there's any loose gravel this way, you're not going to slip. And if there's a fucking wide load on your white line, you're not going to smash into it. That is my sincere advice to new riders about lines in the road. And I hope this is helpful to you. See that car is a bit in the gutter there to me, but you know, what else? We're always the mummies, yeah!